So when it comes to sorting, there's a lot of mistakes you can make. So first and most simple way to sort is you're going to click in the upper left hand corner to select all the boxes. You're going to right click just anywhere. You're going to go down to view more cell actions and then click sort range. Now, if you can see the column you want to sort, that's fine. But something that makes it less confusing is if you have a header that you have frozen, and then you can choose based off of that title. So, for example, if I want to sort them based off how the students did on the pre-assessment from lowest to highest score, I'm going to go ascending order and I'm going to click sort. And what it's done is it's kept the data the same across here. If I just clicked this column and went to sort it, first of all, it won't let me, but it could have sorted this information without moving this. So that's an easy mistake to make. Now, there are other ways to sort. So if you select multiple sections like this, let's say that's one class period, you go down and you can still click sort range. And then within that range, notice how header row is not going to work. Within that range, let's say that's one class period, I want to sort them based off their post-assessment score. Then it has kept that group of students together, hasn't sorted anyone else, and it has put them in ascending order of their data here. Now, let's just go back to basics to review one more time. We are going to sort them in alphabetical order. Cool? Cool. Now, I'm going to select all or select the multiple columns, the only columns I'm using. I'm going to right click, scroll down to view more column actions, and notice, wait, that doesn't work because it's not going to let you just select these. You have to select the whole sheet in order to do this sort range. Okay, so header row, and let's sort it by pre-assessment score. Now let's sort it descending, so the high score is going to be at the top. Clearly, this class is not doing well with whatever they were being assessed on, but now it is in order.